Let's take a look now at the term chip shot in golf. You've probably heard from it. So let's walk through what a chip shot is. A chip shot is a short shot played just off the green, and it's described to hit the ball onto the putting green surface without rolling it towards the hole. It's part of the short game, and it's one of the most important skills in golf. When do you hit a chip? Typically, it's when you're close to the green. You don't have much green between you and the putting green surface, or you want the ball to fly a short distance and then roll. The chip is usually and typically played from the fringe, the fairway, or the light rough near the green. What is the goal of a chip? Well, it's simple. It is to get the ball to the green quickly and let it roll like a putt. Many golfers think, land it and let it roll. A good chip sets up an easy one putt. What is the difference between that and a pitch? Well, chip shot flies low. It rolls more than it flies and less wrist action, while a pitch shot flies faster, stops faster, and has more loft and wrist hinge. Chipping is more like a long putt in the air. So you miss the green in a par 4. Your ball is just short of feet from the putting green surface. Instead of putting off the rough, you grab your pitching wedge. You hit the ball just a few feet from the green and it rolls towards the hole. That is your chip shot. Where did the term come from? The word chip comes from the idea of making small controlled strikes, like to chip a small piece off of something. In golf, it's described in kind of the same way. The term has been used for centuries and become a standard as golfers begin separating short game shots into categories like chip, pitch, and flop shots. Why does chipping matter? Well, for great players, saving your score could be by just chipping well. If you don't hit the green regulations, you can still chip and still make par and even birdie on some opportunities. So chipping is a very important part of the game. Hopefully this quick introduction video on the term chip